Hello, everyone. Welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News for Thursday night. Mike Schultz with you once again talking about weather. It was a beautiful day today, lots of sunshine, and we're looking at that to continue right on into the weekend and the first part of next week, talking 60-degree temperatures starting Sunday. You love it, right? We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph night, really nice one taken by Robert Marzak, was able to capture this sunrise at the Creamer's Field with the birds in the foreground there and the beautiful oranges in the back. And that's a nice shot, Robert. Appreciate you sharing that with us. And if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means, send it to photos@ktbf11.com, and we will share it with the rest of the audience. Here's your numbers right now. 55 degrees. That's our high for the day so far. It could even be warmer by 7 o'clock or so. Low last night, 25. Record high was 66. That was set in 1940, 13 below in 1948. Now your sunrise and sunset, 16 hours and 14 minutes of beautiful sunshine. That's a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. And on the satellite and radar, the only activity, mainly a little shower activity over the southwest portion of the state. Any showers have been way to the north of the Fairbanks area. A little more rain moving back in across southeast Alaska and the southern and south central sections looking pretty good. As far as the rest of the state is concerned, here's what it looks like over southeast Alaska. A little showers at Ketchikan with 52 degrees. And some showers once again in Kodiak. Nice day in Anchorage, 50 degrees there. Along the Aleutian chain, looking at 43 at Cold Bay. Also warming up nicely at Nome, 33 degrees there. That's the warmest they've been in quite a while. Barrow at 26, and Fort Yukon, 50 degrees. So very nice temperatures across the northern half of the state. Lower 48 weather, more showers over the Pacific Northwest, and a little bit of mainly sunshine to partly cloudy skies up and down the west coast. Lots of thunderstorm activity moving across Texas and into the bayou country. Also some rain around the northern plains and central plains of Minneapolis area. Elsewhere we have Atlanta looking at thunderstorm activity too. Miami showers, and over the northeast not too bad. On the satellite and radar you can see all these storms breaking out across parts of Texas, and they're going to intensify as this area of low pressure here moves out on the plains and becomes a real weather maker. In fact, tomorrow's forecast, tomorrow night looks really bad in the afternoon. As you can see, stretching from Kansas City all the way down to Houston, severe weather, damaging winds, large hail, isolated tornadoes, and possible flash flooding, all being associated with this storm system. So it's going to be pretty ugly. And it's all being brought in once again by the jet stream. As you can see, one dip all the way down across the northern Rockies, rising to a high pressure area over the northern plains, and then dropping back down again over the eastern half of the country. So a lot of weather expected this weekend. Keep an eye on that. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Are we going to do kids' weather? Well, I guess we could do it out of course here. Why not? Something different, right? All right, Chinook Charter School. All this week we've been talking with the kids from there, and tonight we have a young lady. It's a teacher. It's a teacher's going to talk to us tonight, and she has a really interesting weather fact about lightning. So let's hear that.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Halbricks, and this is my 4th, 5th, and 6th grade class here at Chinook Montessori Charter School. And we have a weather fact we would like to share with you. Class, did you know that the temperature of a bolt of lightning has been measured at 54,000 degrees, or 6 times hotter than the surface of the sun? Whoa! That's hot.
That is pretty amazing. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And next week, beginning Monday, we're going to be talking with the kids from Denali Elementary. Okay, let's see what's on our weather forecast right now. Okay, let's go to the forecast. Why not? Short range forecast for tonight, 27 degrees, a nice evening with mostly clear skies. And no real meteors expected. In fact, last night we were looking for the meteors. I went out there at 2 o'clock in the morning. I didn't see anything at all. And anything that came down across the wire did not show a whole lot. So I guess they just didn't pan out the way they were expecting it to. As far as tomorrow's forecast, another great day like today. Even warmer, 57 degrees for the high. And our 5-day outlook, as you can see here, looking at Saturday through Wednesday, temperatures look at the 60s on Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and then cooling down just a smidgen on Wednesday. And overnight lows will also be quite warm. In fact, temperatures in the low to mid 30s each day. And that is looking really good for this weekend. A lot of opportunities going on. And I understand that even some car washes are being set up. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. And I think you could get your car washed right now. There's no more water to worry about.